How to activate your new SIM card.
Welcome everyone. Today we are going to explore an important topic: how to activate your new SIM card when you switch to a new phone. This process can sometimes seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. Let's dive in.
Why do I need to activate my SIM card?
A SIM card, or subscriber identity module, is a small chip that connects your phone to your carrier's network. When you get a new SIM card or move to a new phone, you need to activate the SIM card to establish this connection. Without activation, you won't be able to use your phone for calls, texts, or data.
What do I need before activation?
Before you start, you'll need a few things. 1. Your new SIM card. This is typically provided by your carrier when you open a new account or upgrade your phone. 2. Your new phone. The phone you plan to use with the new SIM card. 3. Activation details. Information like your phone number, account details, and potentially a specific activation code. These are typically provided by your carrier either with your SIM card or in an email or letter.
How do I activate my SIM card?
Follow the steps below to activate your SIM card. The specific steps can vary depending on your carrier, but this general process should guide you through. 1. Insert the SIM card into your phone. Find the SIM card slot on your phone, usually on the side or under the battery. Insert your new SIM card into this slot. Make sure the gold chip on the card is facing downwards. 2. Power on your phone. Switch on your phone. It should recognize the SIM card. 3. Activate your SIM card. The process for this varies depending on your carrier. You may need to call a specific number, use a code sent to you by your carrier, or activate it online on your carrier's website. Follow the instructions provided by your carrier to activate your SIM card. 4. Confirm activation. Once you've followed the activation steps, your phone should connect to the network. You can confirm this by making a call, sending a text, or using data. If everything works, your SIM card is active.
What if I encounter problems?
If you face issues during this process, don't panic. Reach out to your carrier's customer support for help. They can guide you through the process and troubleshoot any problems. Remember, it's crucial to contact them as they have the right tools and knowledge to assist you. That's it. With these simple steps, you should be able to activate your new SIM card with ease. Switching to a new phone can seem complicated, but as long as you follow the instructions provided by your carrier, you'll be connected and ready to go in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.